extra time.
টোকিও অলিম্পিকে তিনি ভারতের ফ্ল্যাগ বেয়ারার, তিনি সুপার মম, তিনি মেরি কম। তাকে নিয়ে জীবনীমূলক সিনেমাও রিলিজ হয়েছে বলিউডে। মেরি কম নামটাই যথেষ্ট ভারতের অলিম্পিক অভিযানে। ডমিনিক রিপাবলিকানের মিগুয়েলিনা হার্নান্ডেজ তার থেকে বয়সে প্রায় 15 বছরের ছোট। তাকে হারালেন সুপার মম মেরি কম। মেরি কমের পক্ষে ফলাফল 4-1, পৌঁছে গেলেন শেষ 16-এ। বলছিলেন বাড়িতে অনেকগুলি পদক আছে, কিন্তু নেই অলিম্পিকের সোনাটি, সেটি নিতে টোকিওতে এসেছি।
Something about MC, Mary Kom, Mirabai, Chanu, something about MNC in India.
Something about. I have to ask to God. I don't know exactly what's mean exactly. I mean, yes, we are belongs to same state, same gene. I think so far, you know. So that the spirit is of course similar, and becoming from very humble background, we want hard work, double hard work, triple hard work until unless we not achieve our dream. So that's, you know, keep going, keep fighting till the end. And everyone had the dream, till unless not success, we the Manipuri people are keep fighting, never give up. That's all I should say. And yes, we are not very tall, very big, woman. Many of the other country, like in my country, like other north side, south side, huge, tall, scared when we see first time, looking them and so scared. We are very so tiny. So different, but I think God is given us, different willpower. As I hope so.
Mary, how do you feel?
Yes, after lot of hardship, a lot of painful for the last couple of years, for the corona, this thing, pandemic going, everything set down, blog, everything, everyone is suffering. Even we also suffering the same problem. Well, we have to work at home. Everyone is also doing the same, I hope so. And for us it's very difficult. We need a partner, we need the equipment, we need the infrastructure, something like that was difficult to manage every home, every residence, the boxer. At least I'm so lucky in here. I live in Delhi, and I set up a little bit gym equipment as well, a bag, and only lacking is a sparring partner. Sparring partner is the most important for the eye contact, for the body, language, everything require. Man is sparring. So every doing sparring, then eyes are super soft, and very important learning with a young boxer. They're strong, muscular, and speed, strong enough. But I also doing the same. I will keep training hard and equally to make the the fitness level, strong level, speed level. So by the meantime, yes, I have the lot of experience fighting. Have been fighting almost 20 years. It's not easy, and it's a other extra plus point actually. So, and glad learning, every boxer, even when I lose, when I win, to better do in the next upcoming competition.
Mary, one question there. After so many years, what is the driving force? What is the actually motivation?
Motivation. I have all the medals in my hand.
Yeah.
Olympic medals, 2012, and Commonwealth gold, Asian Games gold, 6-time gold, world champion. It's not easy. It's very easy to say, It's easy to say 1, 2, 3 counting. Oh my God! Even the small kids also, they count easily till 100 and above. Till how much that's the difficult things. Difficult part is continuously consecutive winning, performing. It's not easy.
Yeah, that is
when the
what
young
is- what is-
boxer one champion, then second time gone. That's kind of athlete. But I'm so glad God is so kind. I don't have nothing injury in my life. That minor, not major. So I keep working hard, and God is giving me the will
Yeah, very
and the
good.
strong here. So what left, the medal left in my hand is a gold, Olympic gold. So that's
that is
drive me to do, push me to do again and again. So whether I don't know, I couldn't able to say it's difficult. I'm trying my best. Whether if I'm able to get, I will be grateful, and if not also, okay, I'm happy about my performance for the past many.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।